Hi guys, it's Julia again. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a very short intro just to explain what kind of troubles I had really making this video, because during this week either my laptop or my laptop charger broke on me. So all of the editing was happening on my iPhone, and if anybody ever tried to do that, then you know that it's very limited. You don't have so many options, and there is not much you can fix if there's something that you wanna delete out of the footage. Therefore, this video will be a little bit different. For example, instead of having voiceover, which I think it would be again very complicated to do and clear out and just paste in, I just put in a simple text that will describe what I'm doing it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. In this one I'm just gonna be showing you how to sew a very simple pencil skirt, and I hope it can be useful to you for when you want to create your own. Let's get into it. This is the fabric that I'm gonna be using for today because, okay, it's a bit dirty, let's just ignore it. I had this for a little bit while lying here around at home, and since I really don't know how this editing on my phone will go, and I don't want to give myself more trouble that I would have to go through, I'm just gonna try and use this one. Since it's elastic fabric, it should make the job a little bit easier for me. But since it's a little bit see-through, as you can see, I hope you can see, I'm gonna fold it in half probably and work with it like that and create the skirt that I imagined in my mind. Let's hope it's gonna be decent. Just so you can see the fabric better, this is what it looks like. It's kinda one of those sporty ones. that I created, and you're gonna be trying it at home. And yeah, I'll see you next time. Have a nice week.